Hey science enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the 10 most dangerous science experiments ever conducted. Let's get started. Number 10, Project MKUltra. Conducted by the CIA in the 1950s and 60s, Project MKUltra aimed to develop mind-control techniques using drugs like LSD. Subjects often didn't consent or even know they were part of the experiments. These tests led to severe psychological trauma and raised serious ethical concerns about the misuse of power and the right to personal autonomy. Number 9. The Soviet Union's weaponizing of the plague. During the late 1980s, Soviet scientists discovered how to turn the plague into a biological weapon, potentially causing widespread outbreaks. They stockpiled tons of anthrax and smallpox, representing a significant threat to global health and security. Number 8. The Large Hadron Collider in Switzerland. While this marvel of modern engineering aims to unlock the secrets of the universe, some initially feared it might create black holes or trigger catastrophic events. Despite these concerns, the LHC has operated safely, contributing immensely to our understanding of particle physics. Number 7. Operation Crossroads in 1946. This series of nuclear tests, conducted by the United States at Bikini Atoll, exposed thousands of military personnel and island inhabitants to dangerous levels of radiation. The long-term health effects included cancer and other serious illnesses, highlighting the devastating impact of nuclear weapons testing on human health and the environment. Number 6. The Tuskegee Syphilis Study, which began in the 1930s. For 40 years, African-American men with syphilis were deliberately left untreated to study the disease's progression, even after penicillin became a known cure. The study caused immense suffering and revealed deep ethical violations, leading to lasting mistrust in the medical community. Number 5. Nazi medical experiments during World War II. These horrific tests included forced sterilizations, exposure to extreme conditions, and deadly disease inoculations on prisoners. These atrocities violated human rights and left a dark legacy, underscoring the importance of ethical standards in medical research. Number 4. The Milgram shock experiments in the 1960s. Psychologist Stanley Milgram's study tested obedience by instructing participants to administer electric shocks to others. The experiment revealed how ordinary people could perform harmful actions under authority pressure, raising ethical concerns about psychological harm to the participants. Number 3. Unit 731 in Japan. During World War II, the Japanese military conducted gruesome biological and chemical warfare experiments on prisoners. These included vivisections without anesthesia and testing on humans, leading to thousands of deaths. The experiments were a brutal example of war crimes and human rights abuses. Number 2. The Stateville Penitentiary Malaria Study in the 1940s. U.S. prisoners were infected with malaria to test treatments for soldiers during World War II. While some prisoners volunteered, the ethical implications regarding consent and coercion remain highly controversial. Number 1. The Aversion Project in South Africa during the apartheid era. LGBTQ+ individuals were subjected to electroshock therapy and chemical castration in attempts to cure homosexuality. The project caused immense psychological and physical trauma, highlighting the dangers of unethical medical practices driven by prejudice. These experiments remind us of the dark side of scientific curiosity and the importance of ethics in research. Which experiment shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more intriguing content. See you next time.